truck is sliding.
I was gonna wear some like merch and I'm like, I don't want to like. Yeah, big man in the house.
Please don't touch my bed.
I wonder if he's gonna let us in the pit right now because it's 1:30. Dude, yeah, there's hella people with cat swaps coming. There's like a Gen 2 that's cat swap. There's like.
Where is he?
In that fucking CTSV.
Oh, he drives a CTSV.
That G clean though.
It's like a wrecked one from Copart.
That's my favorite car so far.
So,
okay. They're swapping tires.
is that Mr. Guy did? No.
Yeah.
We may need to go ask to borrow a jack out here because this is. Elements. I knew I left my fucking computer in the truck. My elements. Yeah, we're
Yes, man. We're just swapping tires real quick.
Alright.
we shouldn't be here any more than.
Oh, that's alright. I
10,
just
15.
wondered.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Walk in the lot back.
Thank you. Just better hear us turning up today.
That'll work.
Yeah, that'll work. You gotta be careful with that one.
So much dust just came off. I feel like I'm at work.
Yeah, it is.
Take my space, Rob.
Oh, these are. Motherfucker, where'd you get these? These are mine. That was funny.
He was like free space.
That was funny as hell. I was like, I wonder who the fuck has those. Okay. Dude, it looks good. Dig the look of that on there. Are they directionals?
No.
That's hilarious. We're in Navarro Mills, Texas.
Burner swap.
Oh, here in Navarro Mills.
Navarro.
She's like one of them ladies from the small town that I was about to ask if I could use her bathroom.
Okay. She definitely does it.
Let me get that torque wrench.
Yeah, let me.
130.
130?
Yeah.
Man, you're going high as hell.
I'm not, these aren't falling off. No.
It's gonna break traction way faster, bro.
I gotta like set.
Look at that big ass little wheel.
That man's riding with a.
No, I think it's 20 or 13. Chevy likes to put 20s on a lot of their cars. Oh, they're 19s.
Yeah,
So who's are 7? Are they 17?
Yeah, that must be 7. It
Yeah,
could
it's
be
a
18.
Beamer stock.
Yeah!
Yeah. Just for me.
Yeah, right.
The Federales. I got your.
Huh?
What the hell?
We gotta go in this bitch.
Soggy bar boys.
Turn up.
We didn't finish it before we got here.
I was like,
we made it.
Yeah.
It'll be gone before we leave.
I'm gonna be like, I got 20 bands right now for a cat. So bad. I don't really care to watch it.
Hey, go look at the back window real quick.
Soggy bar boy.